What do you think you're honking at, huh? What, you don't like the way I drive? Why don't you come on in here? I'll give you a driving lesson.
No.
You want a piece of me? Why don't you come out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? What, you think? Oh, I don't like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy new buttons? Huh? See? Out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Attorney General.
All right, back in the trunk.
Hey!
Oh, yeah. You little...
The Trunk Monkey, the revolutionary idea you'll only find one place. Suburban Auto Group.
Your hat is fabulous. How
Ma'am?
about if we don't give us a ticket today and just a warning?
License and registration.
Okay.
This your monkey?
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group. The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Don't worry, okay? We'll make
I
it.
think it's happening.
Now?
Yes, right now. What are we doing?
Okay, everything's gonna be okay, all right? Breathe with the monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Pediatric Edition. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
Here we are.
I still can't believe my dad let us even touch his new car.
Oh, yeah?
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
Yeah, happened about a month ago. I was driving my new truck home from the bingo and it just died. Now, next thing I know, I seen this bright light up in the sky. Then aliens was everywhere. Now, I don't do probes, so I'm glad I bought a truck with a trunk monkey.
The Trunk Monkey. An out-of-this-world idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
On my way into work, I spilled hot coffee on my lap, and I lost control of my car.
Shock advised. Stand clear.
No. For the most part, I'm glad that I bought a car with the trunk monkey.
The Trunk Monkey. A life-saving idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.